Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Have another Ameritron al-811h amplifier in for repair. So I'm going to show everything that needs to be done. I've been super busy here. Haven't had time to make videos. Figured I need to get one up. Next week I will be testing the 6-meter amplifier. I can finally get to that, get that set and out of here. So, customer said he popped the fuses. He didn't send the tubes because he had the 811s. In order to work on one of these, we'll work on it if the customer is willing to upgrade to 572s. So this is getting a brand new set of Penta tubes. I'm a Penta distributor, so my customers get the tubes at the distributor price. Still has the electrical tape from when these were taped up underneath. I always instruct the customer to tape the anode caps up underneath upside down so they're not wobbling around. Unfortunately, the strap on this one is pretty frayed, so I'm going to replace all 4 straps. So he popped the fuses. I checked the meter protection diode, that's okay. Grid loading resistors aren't blown apart, so replaced the fuses and turned it on. I put small fuses in. I heard a slight arc, so I shut it off and didn't pop the fuse at that point, either fuse. So shut it off, let the voltage bleed down. I lifted one side of all the bleeders, and this one right here is open, so that means the filter cap flashed. So it doesn't have dead short, but it had flashed, and it when I turned it on I heard it arc, and when he had it on it flashed, and it was enough to pop the fuses. So I will be replacing all 4 resistors and all 4 caps. These black ones are usually pretty good. They usually don't fail, but it does happen. When it has the pink ones, I always change those out because they are very prone to failing. So as long as one of these doesn't fail, the caps, I mean, the only time I've ever seen a cap fail in any Ameritron amp is if a resistor is open. So I'll take care of that. I'm going to take out the tube assembly here, the socket assembly. I will be grounding the grids. I'll put in the gas discharge tubes. I'll clean the input rotary switch and the output rotary switch with deoxide gold. I'll do the bias modification. The SO239s have like no grip. Here's a brand new PL259. Look. So look, it's like in, out. Same with this one down here. This one has like no grip. So I'll put brand new ones in and go through the rest of it. Air variable capacitors look okay. Everything else looks okay. Meter lamps look okay. They're working. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron al-811h. I'm going to go over everything I did real quick. So I replaced all 4 straps between the parasitic board and the anode caps. Had a open bleeder / equalization resistor, so I ended up replacing all 4. You always have to replace them. It had the black ones in here, and usually the black ones don't fail, but it had a bad black one, so put new ones in. Did the bias modification, new filter capacitors. Here are the old ones. I put in new SO239 connectors, high quality Teflon dielectric type. Got rid of the MOVs, grounded the grids really well, took the old assembly out, this old piece right here, and put in gas discharge tubes, 1 per side of the filament to ground. Tested it for full output on all bands. Got a brand new set of Penta tubes, 572s. Awesome company. The only way I'll work on one of these is if the customer is willing to upgrade to 572s. Penta's just awesome. Great people over there. Great customer service. So if you need an amplifier repaired when you see on my YouTube channel, please feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Thanks for watching. 73.